you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be...
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to today's video. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today's video is very exciting because we are organizing for Baby Flex. I cannot believe that he will be here so soon. Currently filming this video, I am 30 weeks pregnant, which means that in 9 or 10 weeks the max, he'll be here, and that is crazy. So it is time for us to start getting this place together, time for us to start sorting and organizing his stuff, because we have been buying and collecting stuff for the past couple of months, but they have just been sitting in a closet somewhere. I have been washing his laundry and kind of getting all of that stuff together, and in today's video we'll be organizing all of that. I do have a baby boy clothing haul that is already up on my channel, so I will be linking it right up here in the iCards for you. If you have not yet seen that video and you are looking for some baby boy clothing inspiration, then that video might be for you. It is very budget friendly because I only shop at affordable places meaning AliExpress and Amazon for majority of the stuff that I got for him. So in today's video we will be folding and organizing Baby Flex's clothes into his drawers and putting all of that together, labeling the stuff and all of that. If you are new here, welcome to the Nats fam. I hope you enjoy spending some time with me today as we dive into all things baby. And yes, we do call the baby Baby Flex. It is a whole thing in our family. Please check out this playlist that I'll be linking in the iCards, where we announce the pregnancy and all of that stuff and really gave you the meaning behind the name Baby Flex. So check those out, and his name reveal will of course be in the video where we introduce him to our internet fam. So stay tuned for that, but for right now, let's get sorting Baby Flex's clothes. This is where all of Baby Flex's clothes will be organized. I already bought all of these drawers, and I do have a video up of me, you know, cleaning out this entire area and just organizing the stuff in the way that I'm going to want to arrange them once everything gets in here. So today we are really taking all of these drawers out, and then we're going to be organizing his clothes. I do plan on labeling these. I bought some labels that I'm going to put on here. So we're going to be taking all of this off, and then we're going to be labeling what should be going in each of the drawers, and then we move from there. I already had on sticky notes this stuff that I want to be storing in all of these drawers, so it makes it easier for me to just label and go. So let's do that right now. The idea for this room really is to have his clothes here, and then I have these baskets up here to organize some smaller things that I think won't be able to fit in the drawers, and then at the back maybe we'll have some things around there, I'm not sure yet. And then I plan on putting some tension rods across the top. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try to, yeah, in the top, from side to from this side to this side over here, I'd put like some tension rods kind of thing to hang clothes that, you know, just cannot be folded. But let's get started on clearing out all of these drawers, because I have been collecting stuff and just throwing them in the drawers because we were not yet ready to use them. And then we are going to sanitize it all and then label them. Then we will get into folding and organizing his clothes. So let's get started. Hey guys, I did buy these organizers to also put inside of these drawers just to keep the clothes a bit more organized, because having things just thrown down inside of just the plastic drawers, I feel as if things will be all over the place. So I decided that I'm going to buy these, and it will keep things more, you know, situated and intact. So that is why you're seeing these organizers in the drawers as well.
Love me and make my day like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel.
And if you are going to be taking any inspiration from this video and you want to know where I get most of my stuff, it's always the cheap store, guys. It is always the cheap store. These organizers I got from Daiso here in Japan. That is a $1 store, similar to that of, you know, Dollar Tree, Dollarama in the US and those countries. 100 yen, and I can get some containers to organize my baby clothes. I do not have to buy expensive organizers just for them to sit in the drawers and collect clothes and dust, you know what I mean? Not everything needs to cost an arm and a leg for it to function. Oh my goodness, his socks are not washed. I just completed the final load of laundry, or I thought that was the final load of laundry, but all of his socks are right here. And these are not washed. Wow, look at how small these little diapers are. Oh my goodness.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that
also, you guys, because I'm an organization freak, I also did write down like every kind of station that I want for the baby. So I have stuff that is to go on the dresser top. At first I didn't think I was going to be putting anything on top of these stuff, but then we don't have more space, so we have to do that. I have a list of stuff that I want in his like changing station area, and I did have the stuff that I want in all of the drawers organized. So these baskets are going to be holding like his mittens, all of his caps, socks, and his bath rugs, and maybe his bibs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting the bibs here or in the kitchen storage cabinet, but let's get organizing or writing on some more labels.
wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around.
There you have it. Everything has labels on them. I am okay with how it looks right now. I probably will, you know, do a little decorating on here, since as I don't have a Cricut or anything like that to like actually make cute labels. But I'll probably just decorate like some patterns and stuff with other markers on here. But for right now, this is what I have. So over here we will have his bath towels, his receivers, and his burp cloths in this drawer. I've already figured out how I'm going to store that. Winter stuff here, because we do live in Japan and we do experience winter, and he is being born in winter actually. His 3 to 6 months and 6 to 9 months clothing here, and then his newborn clothing down here. And then we have caps and hats will be here, mittens will be here. That's the non-scratch mittens, so he does not, you know, scratch his face. and socks here, and then we have something for bibs here, and then I decided that I'm going to put his bath rags in this mini container since as they're super small. And then I think we're all organized, so now we can actually get to folding all of his clothes. So I'm going to bring you guys to my bed, dump all of his clothes out, and then we're going to start organizing everything and putting them into this area. This is the situation that I have going on right now. I'll be sitting on the bed somewhere, and that is his current pile of dry clothes, and I have laid out all of the drawer inserts that you guys saw me wipe out and label. I have, well, majority of them except for the winter stuff, and then the bibs and the rags. So I'll just be going through them, all of them, and then putting them in the respective bins right here. Currently we do have more of his clothes outside drying. I think that is the final set of clothes. Hopefully by the time that I am finishing up organizing all of this stuff on the bed, those will be dried so we can just add them to it. But we're going to start with what we have anyway, and then we see where the rest takes us. So let's get folding and organizing. See what Stacia is up to on YouTube.
Whenever I see you, you stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
These little shorts were a gift from our dear friend Monica. She spent a couple days like hand making, like hand crocheting about 4 pieces for Baby Flex and this tummy time little mat thing that also has her name. It said created by Tia Monica. As you can see, created by Tia Monica. So she really spent a couple days just hand making all of these stuff for Baby Flex, which was really nice. We appreciate it. Thank you, Monica, if you're watching this. The stuff are all clean and washed now and going into Baby Flex's drawers. Okay guys, so it is the next day. No, it's not the next day. It's actually 2 days later since the first time you guys saw me. And the clothes, all of the other clothing pieces are finally ready to get folded and organized and into the drawers. So that is what we will be doing right now. It is not a lot, so this part will not be so much, but right after we fold everything, put them in the drawers, I will be taking you guys into the actual area where I'll be storing everything and then showing you exactly what I get done. Me and my friend Jessica talking on the phone with all of these long voice notes. Like, I swear, if you are my friend, long voice notes, yeah, those are a thing.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can write all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit.
Okay, you guys, so I am ready for the big reveal of everything that we have been working on behind this closet right here. This is what we have situated for Baby Flex at the moment. Down here is a disaster. This is where everything has been going. So this is like the catch-all zone right now. Everything that we buy goes in here until, you know, we get to this aspect, which will be in another video. Let us just focus our energy on what is happening up here, because this is the first thing that we have done, and this is basically his little clothing nook. So let's start up here with the socks and the bath rags, and it is pretty much exactly what it says. We have all of his socks right here and then his bath rags over there. In this basket we have his caps and hats. So this is where we have all of his little newborn and winter caps kind of situation. And then of course, as he grows out of the newborn stuff, that is like right here, and we start getting more big boy kind of hats, they will be stored in here. In this one we have his mittens and swaddles. Mittens kind of sound like you're talking about cats, but mittens are actually non-scratch mittens. If you're a mom, you know that thing you put over their hands so that they do not scratch their face. And then the swaddles for his bedtime, so I have swaddles over here, and then we have all of his non-scratch mittens down here. All right, let's move on to the first drawer that has all of his bath towels, his receivers, and his burp cloths. Basically exactly what the labels say, you guys. So these are his receivers. We have like 14 of them because I got 2 packs and they each came with 7. I don't know if I overbought it, but I guess these can last forever, because even when he's not a baby anymore, we can use them for whatever the reason may be. The burp cloths are right here, and then at the back we have all of his bath towels. So these are what we're going to be used when it's bath time for Baby Flex. So very simple. I think this is the most organized drawer. And then the next drawer over here will host all of his winter stuff, but for right now this is the only thing we have for his winter stuff, just a big kind of overall that we can put him in so that he doesn't get super cold. Down here we have the newborn to 0 to 3 month clothing, and he has a lot of clothes in this category. As you can see, that is the end of the drawer. So much clothes. So let's start from the back. Over here we have some onesies. In this one we have some sleepers and some onesies, because I ran out of space to put his onesies, so I had to pair them with some sleepers over here. These 2 containers were supposed to be his onesie containers, and then these 2 over here were supposed to be his sleepers, like his pajamas and stuff. But as you can see, it is pretty tight, so I had to transfer some of the onesies into the sleepers since we only had like 2 sleepers over here. And yeah, that is the back of this drawer. And then moving on to the front, we have some sleepers here. Oh my god, the baby is rolling in my stomach. Winter sleepers over here, the fleece kind of material, and then some regular kind of cotton ones here. And then at the front we have these special crochet, handmade crochet baby sets that our friend Monica made for Baby Flex. And then in this front part we have all of his tights, or they call it cover up, so that when he is wearing the onesies that do not have foot on them, then we can grab one of these tights, put it over his little bum to cover his legs. And then over here in this side we have the Batman outfit and then his Christmas outfit. This first basket has all of his newborn clothing, and then behind here are all of his 0 to 3 onesies. In short order, he will be grown out of all of his newborn stuff, and then I will have enough space to actually properly store these ones that are holding on for dear life in this tight space, and also I'll be able to get rid of these onesies that are in the pajama basket here. And then we move on to the last aspect of his clothing, which is the 3 to 6 months and the 6 to 9 months. You guys, I am so out of breath, so please forgive me for probably breathing like an animal right now. If you're pregnant, then you understand completely. So this drawer is his 3 to 6 months clothing and 6 to 9 months clothing. I actually do not have any 6 to 9 months clothing, but so these are all 3 to 6 months clothing. Here we have some tights that I got in a onesie set that I got on Amazon. If you have not yet checked out the baby boy clothing haul that I did, please check out that video. I'll be linking it down in the description box below. Here we have some onesies as well. Here we have onesies as well, but they're more of a dressy type onesies for like daycare, or you know, just more dressy, and these are more of wear around the house kind of situation. And then these are his 3 to 6 month pajamas, and that is basically all that is in this drawer right here, and that would have completed all of his clothing storage. And that is the end of baby prep number 1, organizing little baby's clothes. I hope that you got some inspiration from today's video. If you are pregnant, also comment down below and tell me how far are you in terms of organizing baby's stuff right now. Like, have you already organized your baby's clothes? Are you not in the mood to organize? Have you finished organizing everything? Let me know in the comments below. It's very exciting to really get the ball rolling where baby stuff is concerned, as you count down the weeks to the arrival. At this point, I'm 30 weeks pregnant, so we're like at the home stretch, like I have been saying. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe down below so you do not miss that video, and of course upcoming baby prep video as we count down the weeks to little baby Flex arriving. Thank you so much for watching this video and cheering us on in the comments and on Instagram. We love you. Can't wait to see you super soon. Bye guys.